Hey everyone, I'm Kenny Brain and welcome to Home Network's DIY Studio. Today we are taking a patio from blah to beautiful in just 5 easy upgrades that won't break the bank. Joining me today is Michelle Thompson, designer and all-around style genius.
Thanks, Kenny. You're too kind. You know I love a good before and after, especially when it's fast, easy, and transforms the whole space.
All right, Michelle, so here's our challenge today. We are going to be using 5 Wayfair items to give this patio a complete summer glow-up. I think we should start with seating.
We have brought in this beautiful all-weather patio dining set. It's comfortable and durable and can take you from casual brunches all the way to late-night snacks.
I mean, you have me at late-night snacks, you know that.
Yeah, I know. So our next item is this pergola, and I have to say it is the game changer for me. It defines the space, gives us some much needed shade, and it extends your outdoor use way past peak season. And that's the thing about Wayfair. You can get all of your items in one spot, and it's fast shipping right to your door.
Any item that can extend your time outdoors is a must-have. Very much like this next item for the cooler summer nights. We've added in this modern fire bowl, which is compact, it's safe, it gives you a cozy focal point, and people just kind of want to naturally gather around it.
Totally. And s'mores.
And s'mores. Can't forget s'mores.
More snacks.
Yeah, always more snacks.
Okay, Kenny, and you know we cannot forget about lighting. So we brought in these beautiful solar lanterns. They can be hung or used on your tablescape, and they charge on their own throughout the day. No cords, no stress.
Love that. And last but certainly not least, we have these planters. I think they really add a pop of life while still defining the space with style and personality.
And I love the texture on them.
Yeah, beautiful.
And then for the finishing touch, all you need is some decor, and there you have it. Proof that your outdoor space can be elevated, interesting, and full of personality. And all with just 5 items. Shoppable from wayfair.ca.
Michelle, thank you so much for helping us out here today. And thank you for flipping with us here on DIY Studio. We will see you right here next time for more smart and stylish upgrades. Presented in part by wayfair.ca. Every style, every home.